This is the second stage in my dowel framing process. If you did not see me drill these holes, you can go back and check that out on my feed, but I just go ahead and put some wood glue in the holes and pound these dowels right into my sign. As you can see, I like to add one in the middle. I think it adds a little bit of extra reinforcement. I'm not sure if it's totally necessary. I think that these look way better than nails, plus they're way stronger than nails. I actually have more of this process on both my Instagram page and my TikTok page, and those are both saved to highlights and playlist. So if you want to see more on this process, you can check that out. And if you want to see a trick to how I trim these, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know. But that's going to do it for my process. And yeah, I love this method.